Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we will be looking at how to use the stop loss. But before I take you into a practical example of how to set up your stop loss, I'm going to tell you exactly what the stop loss order is and how you can use it. Now, the stop loss order is a limit order you set beneath your entry price in order to help you curtail your losses in the market. This order helps you limit the losses, the amount you lose from a given position. Now, let's take, for example, you want to buy the Bitcoin at exactly $50,000 and you're expecting the Bitcoin to actually go up. So you went for a long in prediction and you have that set up. You want to also set as well a stop loss order, which is beneath your entry price, calculating the amount of losses you are ready to risk in this position. Let's take, for example, you set your stop loss at 49,900, okay, because you don't want to lose much but you believe in the market going up. But if it goes against you, you want to lose a little amount of money. That's exactly what the stop loss is and how it's been used to help you reduce the losses you incur in a given position. Now, I'm going to move in and show you how you can simply set that to suit your trading position. So right here, we are on the Binance on our mobile phone. If you remember, we created this Binance account together while we were making the video on how to set up your Binance account. If you haven't watched the video, it's in the channel. Check it out, learn it, and get started with creating your very own Binance account. All right, so for those who have their set up, let's go over to the futures market, and I'm going to show you how to set up your stop loss. All right, so right here, we're on the futures market. We have a dangerous trade going on. Now, I said this trade is actually dangerous for the following reasons. Our margin ratio is over 20%, which is dangerous. I always recommend you keep it beneath 10% or maybe even 5%. And right here, you could see our liquidity price is also very high compared to our entry price. So it's a dangerous one, but it's all for the sake of this tutorial. Now let's move on to exactly what we have. We want to set up a stop loss on an existing order. Now this order, we have it already floating and we want to set our stop loss. All you need to do is to come over here and click on where it says stop profit and loss right here. Now once you click on that, it opens a tab for you. You need to select the option that position TPSL, okay, which is position take profit stop loss. Now once you select that tab, it opens for you another page. Now at the top you see it says take profit and at the bottom you have your stop loss. Now we're here to set the stop loss, so all you need to do is to click on it. I will recommend you leave yours on mark price so your order doesn't get skipped. Now mark price as in market price. Now if you put your stop loss target at 1.3 right here, now you take a look at the losses you will incur if the market go against you and get to your stop loss. Okay, you're gonna actually suffer a loss of just $4.55. Now you could take this deeper, depending on what pleases you. You could take this deeper to 1.2. You see, you're gonna make a loss of 9.55 cents. You could continue to take this deeper and deeper and deeper until you're okay, comfortable. When you're okay, all you need to do is simply click on the confirm button. I'm okay with 1.3. I click on confirm and confirm again, and then you have your order all set. Right here, you can see that. Now you have your order right here set up, and once the market goes against you and it gets to your stop loss, it will take you off the market. Now that's how you set the stop loss order for on an existing order. Now let's take, for instance, you want to set up the stop loss order immediately as of purchase. All you need to do is to come over here and click on where it says take profit and stop loss. So that option will be available for you. Yes, click on OK, and then you have the order right here. Now if you're setting an order, maybe a limit order or a market order, you could set your stop loss as well. Now let's take, for instance, we want to enter another order, just 10 right at this particular price, just 10 XAI. I'm going to put our stop loss for that to be at 1.3 as well, or let's try 1.25. Okay, we want our stop loss to be at this price. Then we click on the long, not short, long. Right here we click on long and we click on confirm. Now once we confirm that, that order also joined. Now you can see our size was 50, but now it's now 60, and we now have two orders right here. Click here, you see there is an order for just 10 to be taken at a certain take profit position, which is 1.25, and we have the others, and we have the final one to be taken at exactly 1.3, which will form our order, right? Which is the remaining 50 to be taken out. So that's exactly how you set up your stop loss both on the trade and before you set up the trade. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section and I will be there to actually help you out. And if you want to join the academy, you want to learn how to trade the futures market, how to do the technical analysis, and how to make profit every single day, make sure you contact us from the description box and we'll be sure to help you get enrolled in the academy where you learn how to trade like a pro. Yeah, from spot trading, futures trading, spot option trading, and everything you need to get started in the crypto space, we give it to you. Every single secret, insider secret, every single thing you need to know as a pro trader, we give it to you. Contact us and get the best of trading cryptocurrency. After all that said, till I see you guys in the next one, it's bye for this one.